Okay, I gotta finish up quick. Real quick. Whoop, almost fell over again. Bless my little heart. The other product that I got, I blended this in my eyes out a little bit, and I am going to return it because it's too warm. This is Dior's Backstage Rosy Glow Blush, and I did decide I want to keep this, I think. So let's just try it out. Do I even have a blush brush? I think this could be used. It's not a blush brush, but we'll try it. Let's just see. Well, it definitely does. It's very pigmented. See that. This is a very light brush. This is actually a foundation brush, which is not what you would use to put blush brush on, because it's too light. But because it's light, it's putting it on pretty good. Around the It's a good blush. I like this blush. I'll keep it. Then the Tarte Double Take. It's got a liquid liner on one end, and then it's got a gel pencil liner on the other. Great to keep in your handbag for touch-ups as well. And I can tell you I'm going to keep this. The liquid is very easy to put on. I just start above the eyelid and come straight across. Why do I come straight across? Because as you get older, this skin comes down, and it doesn't look curled anymore. It gets lost in your crease because you've got too much eyelid there. Some people actually have to have surgery to tack up their eyelid as they get older because it can almost blind them. But mine hasn't done that yet. I hope it doesn't. But anyway, you come straight across, and it actually makes it look like a wing. I remember, I think his name was Wayne Glass, once said older women should not wear liner because the hood on their lid, this piece right here, drops down, and it's very unflattering. And I thought, well, you're supposed to be such a professional. How is it that I could figure out, start higher, but come straight across, and see how it's making it look like a regular wing, and then you just connect it, and that will make it look it's curling. He's supposed to be Mr. Technique. I wonder if he's still around. I haven't watched his videos in years. I also found him to be very insulting the way he said it, like older women can't do certain things. It wasn't techniques to help us. It was almost just like a criticism of, you can't do that anymore. It's like, well, there's ways, Wayne. There's ways. Okay, I just made a boo-boo because I'm getting in a hurry. I'm just touching up. And I just do little dashes because people say, well, your hands start shaking and you can't really make a straight line anymore. It's like, no. So then just don't make a straight line. Make a little dash. Like 10 little dashes in a row, and there you go. You got a straight line. And, you know, just make sure you connect them all. And then this is the crayon for your waterline. It's also very good. I have had some that dried out, and but it's, if you're